Okay, this lab is on differential media, so we're going to do two labs. One of them is called MacConkey auger, and the other one is called EMB, eosin methylene blue auger media. Okay, and so we have our bacteria here. We have 11 bacteria. We're going to skip number 2 because it won't grow. It's a Clostridium, and it will only grow in areas that do not have oxygen. So we have to put it in a separate chamber. So we're not going to do that one here. What I have now is a split plate. And so these markings are, there's 4 dashes here, and then I have a chart that I'll show you. 4 markings is MacConkey auger, 3 dashes are EMB. So there are 2 of these in here, and so I'm going to just show you what it looks like. And it's a little bit lighter for the EMB. So the EMB is the 3 marks. Okay. So you can tell it from a couple of ways. So, but when I make these up, I run a pen, Sharpie pen up the whole stack of them like this, and then I go like that. And then it sets it out. Alright, so the only thing you have to watch is that you don't want to rely on the top lid because the top lid can spin. So this is a 4 mark one on this side, and then it's 3 on the other side. So if I rotate it, so the lid can move. So you want to look at the bottom, the edge where the media is. That's the plate. Okay, so we're going to put bacteria. We're going to do a simple streak plate, a 3-zone streak plate on a half plate. And so we'll start with E. coli. And we'll get it out of the incubator. E. coli. Alright, so it's going to be pretty quick because I can do the first zone on each plate with each bacteria. So I sterilize my loop, then I go in and I try to, I either have to go for an isolated colony, or if it's a pure culture plate, which these were from the original stocks, which are pure cultures, I don't have to be as picky. But where I do have single colonies, I want to go there. And so what I do is I will put a little bit light zone on each of the sides of the plate, and I can go back and forth because they're both sterile either way. And then I will flame it and then do zone 2. And so zone 2, I touch out in the area that is not the area that does not have bacteria. So then sterilize, and then go in here so I can cool the loop. So I come in a couple times and then come out. You have to have a light touch because the EMB and the MacConkey auger don't have a lot of auger in them, so they can be a little bit sensitive to tearing. Go into this one, snake out, and so in the 3rd zone we snake out wide. And that one is done. And I need to put what sample this is. This is number 1, E. coli. And the date is on there. Okay, and that is done. So I'll put this plate over here so I don't get confused. And then I just go on and streak the rest of these. And so I'll pick this up when we get the results and show you then.